Thank you, Tom. Last week, construction began on the Permian Basin Behavioral Health Center, but the building is just one of many moving parts aimed at increasing access to mental health care.
In the background, Midland Health and Medical Center Hospital are teaming up to manage that facility, fundraise for it, and recruit future staff. And as you can imagine, that's no small task.
No, it's not. CBS 7's Hannah Brock met with staff from each hospital and Representative Brooks Landgraf, who advocated for state funding for this project. She has the latest update. Hannah?
Well, this 200-bed facility will fill a major gap in mental health care in the Permian Basin. However, the local healthcare workforce is already understaffed. That's one hurdle that these leaders will have to face to get the center up and running. The Permian Basin Behavioral Health Center will require 500 employees, though not all are healthcare professionals.
Staffing is one of our biggest concerns, and of course we're about 2 years away from opening, so we've got some time to work on it, but those 2 years will go really fast.
The hospitals and state representatives like Brooks Landgraf hope to support local colleges by strengthening curriculums and funding tuition to create a talent pipeline. What is now a field of dirt represents a solution to a dire need in the Permian Basin.
We see patients in the emergency department every day who are in mental health crisis. And we don't have the capability to care for them, so we stabilize them in the ER and then we look for a place to send them for ongoing care. Oftentimes that means sending them out of the county, maybe hundreds of miles away. Maybe we can't even find a place to put them because there's no capacity.
County jails also see people in need. Located between Midland and Odessa, the health center will provide relief for that. It will offer inpatient and outpatient mental health services. Construction started last week and will end in late 2025.
Actually beginning to take shape. It's a big milestone for this long fight to provide better mental health services for West Texans.
The facility is a product of $126 million in state support and teamwork between Midland Health and Medical Center Hospital, plus millions in donations from private companies. Funding is also a task to tackle.
Once we get the facility up and going, and getting it staffed, both hospitals as the joint venture, we're tasked with running the facility, so operational costs will be a concern.
The facility needs $12 million more, then may need additional support because insurance often doesn't pay providers as much for behavioral health. However, the facility has seen immense community support. Currently, the staff is focused on completing the design of the facility and ironing out operation details. The facility is expected to open its doors in December 2025. For CBS 7 First Alert News, I'm Hannah Brock.